What's up, everybody? Hiking around Red Rock Canyon near my place. I always look at this side. I I hike all the time. That's not why I wanted to record right now. The crazy thing is I'm on day 6 right now of a water fast, and it's interesting. I would say the first 4 days I felt super lethargic. I had nausea. I was still I wasn't pushing myself at all. And then yesterday, which was day 5, already I told a friend I would go to this concert with her. And so I don't like integrity is important to me, so I want to stick to my word. So I was like, all right, I'll go out. I'll just take it easy. I'm not gonna, if I start getting dizzy, just one dance. So went out. Even before that, yesterday, I had like a busy day. Went to this vegan meetup. It was like a cooking class. And then I went and did some animal activism. It's called Anonymous for the Voiceless. Look them up, Anonymous for the Voiceless. So I did that. Then I went at 8 o'clock. And yeah, I was kind of take it easy. I didn't know what to expect. But as the night wore on, what do you say? Dude, I had insane energy. I had amazing energy. I feel I don't know if I would have been able to do that the first 4 days, but yeah, we went hard. Me and my friends. It was another friend's birthday. His birthday's today, so we made his party, and I got home at 9 a.m., which isn't out of the ordinary for me. I'm into music and techno and after hours. But the fucking crazy thing was, dude, I had more energy than everybody else, and they're on drugs. That's how they're making it to 9. But yeah, it was rad. And so today I decided to come out, explore Red Rock a little bit, and I've felt, I would say, not my normal energetic self hiking, but feel all right. Check this shit out. It's Vegas for you. But yeah, man, I felt like yesterday was a turning point, I went from, maybe my body just kicked into ketones. I don't know what the science is behind it, but I didn't expect to have the energy that I had last night, and slept 5 hours, and I'm back out today, and I felt all right. I do feel a little bit slower. I'm taking it easy. I'm not pushing myself too much, but this is a fucking rad experience. And last night was amazing because I connected with people, and I'm finding this more and more recently as I just on my spiritual path, as I figure out who the fuck I am. I'm attracting people on the same vibration. But last night the conversations were about everything, meditation, life, death, fucking homeschooling, being vegan. There just happened to be a bunch of vegan people hanging out with. That's just what I attract. I was a part of the group somehow. That's what we attracted. But it's not even what the conversations were, but the way we interacted, the way I was able to be present and look into their eyes and just, be there. Just be there, like not thinking about what to say, at all. Like no ego there. And I thought that was amazing. I know the water fast, now I'm kicking in to that spiritual vibe. That's what I kind of feel. So yeah, I gotta look at this fucking thing. But so I'm on day 6 right now. I don't know how long I'm gonna go. Maybe I've been reading like maybe 10 days unsupervised is as long as you should go. I think I leave town in like 6 days for an epic fucking road trip up to Canada, up to Banff. That's gonna be sick. But yeah, I'll post more shit. I'll try to post more shit. Just update how I'm feeling. Weight loss wise, that's not why I did it. Like I just wanted to. I read about autophagy. If you haven't read about autophagy, for sure, dig into it. AUTOPHAGY, autophagy. But it's mind blowing. It's like fairly new science, but old traditions, spiritual and religious traditions have fasting practices in them. Pretty much all of them do. So we're figuring out that once your body kicks into starvation, it starts eating itself, and the cells feed on damaged cells, and it's rejuvenation, So yeah, man, I'll keep y'all posted. Peace, love, know yourself.